What? It's my first fitment. It's kind of going all right. Finding it hard to get, you can see that, getting it to match the lines. Been pushing and pulling it, trying to get it in. But my main issue is getting these little buggers to line up. So after lots of fettling, I think I've got it roughly where I want it to be. My main goal was to try and get these holes lined up with the top damper mounts. Got those. That was actually quite harder than I thought. I've got these bits lining up here. I've got this bit touching here. This bit actually, and still does, need a bit of fettling. However, once I've got it in place, I'm happy I can hammer and dolly it and get it just right. One of the most interesting bits was, yes, this is a Mark 1, Mark 2 in a wing, but it's got lots of brackets that it shouldn't have, because I'm guessing it's taken from a more modern pressing as well. It's got this bit here, which is obviously the air intake that goes to your heater. You don't get those on Mark 1, Mark 2s. Hello! Hello! Push it! You alright, mate? No. So an interesting thing is this little pressing here. This is for the later type minis that has where the air intake goes through here and into the heater. I don't know if the shelf is different on the later cars, but the shelf in here definitely interfered with this, so I had to do a little bit of massaging just to get it through. Okay. It's not pretty, but it works. What's next? Mark everything up, drill holes, so then I can plug weld it to all the bits that are behind. So there's the bulkhead, that needs drilling and spot weld, plug welding. This is the parcel shelf, that's the same thing. Down here, that's already done. I need to drill and plug weld along here, here, this bit. Around here, up there. Let's crack on.
Okay, it's Saturday afternoon. I've been spending all day doing all the things that a good husband-to-be should be doing. You know, shopping, lunching, entertaining, that sort of thing. Now it's 5 o'clock in the afternoon. I've got a couple of hours to work on the car, so I'm going to entertain my neighbours with the sound of our people.
So all I've got to do now is plug weld that inner seam, and this bit at the top I just need to clean it up and somehow weld that on. Well, there you go, look, it's only welded from the factory, so I might as well do the same. There you go, so that's all plugged. I just want to get this bit down here, and now kind of the frame's in the way. I don't think I need the frame anymore, so I think I'll whip it out. Well, it's on. I'm actually amazed how easy it was to do. Definitely, I mean, my plan A was to patch it, you know, do repairs and whatever. I'm so glad I went down this route. I've still got, now that I've given a little spray of grey primer to stop it from rusting, I can see there's other things that I want to do, little holes that I've missed, things like that. But that's not a problem. I'm going to come back and do that later. Yeah, overall, I'm really pleased. All I need to do now is the other side. You don't want to see that, do you? No. If you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Just click that logo in the middle of the page. So until next time, ta-ta for now.